Oh, good hit.
Sixth base.
Sixth base.
And then run to there.
Almost. Go get it. You want to try, Josh?
Sure.
Ready? Throw it to you. Oh, good one. Almost. Oh, good one. Off the car. That's third base, I think.
Here are one for you want to hit.
Want to see it? Let's go, Jay.
So you're practicing.
Oh, good one. Back and forth. Again.
Right in your car.
Oh, Josh, you getting dizzy? Here it comes, Josh. Almost. Can you get it, Jackson?